Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Yumi. Today, we will learn 100 words in 5 minutes. Over, new, sound, take, only, little, work, no, place, years, live, me. Okay, your turn to read now. Back, give, most, very, after, thing, our, just, name, good, sentence, man. Okay, your turn to read now. Very good. Think, say, great, where, help, through, much, before, line, right, to, means. Okay, read. Old, only, any, some, tell, boy, following, came, want, show, also, around. Farm, 3, small, set, put, and, does, another, well, large, must, big. Even, change, off, play, spell, air, away, animals, house, point, page, letters. Mother, answers, found, study, still, learn, should, America, world, such, because, turn. Here, why, asked, went, men, read, need, land, different, home, us, move. try, kind, hand, picture, again. Okay, thank you, and I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.